Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Matthew Conger. I'm the Small Chef 11. So today guys, I'm going to be talking about when you go out to a restaurant and you have something and you go home and try to make it, it just doesn't taste the same. So let's get started. Alright guys, so when you go out to eat, what usually typically happens is you go there, you try something, you're like, wow, this is freaking amazing. I'm going to go home and make this. So you go home and you make it. And it just does not turn out like it was at the restaurant. There's a few reasons behind it. Number one, health conscious reasons. As in you don't add as much salt sometimes, or you won't use everything in the recipe like they say you should. And that changes the taste and the flavor. It's all there for a purpose. And another thing is, when at a restaurant, we are making this over and over and over, so we know how to make it the same way every time you come in, hopefully, because that's what recipes are for. And when you come in, we are using a flat top. Maybe you have like a favorite sandwich, and we use a flat top to grill our bread on. You cannot get that flavor on anything else. You can't really replicate that on anything else. Only a flat top can do it. It's just really good to do it that way. I absolutely love how my bread is toasted on a flat top. At home, you can't do that. Another thing is, when you're sauteing at home, you're more conscious about what you're adding in. Like chicken stock, you won't put too much of that in there. The salt, you won't put too much in. For an example, again, is the heavy cream. Let's say you're making risotto. You won't put in as much heavy cream or as much Parmesan. Where in the kitchen, we don't care. We do care about your health, but we don't care as much as you care. If you see what I'm saying, we in the kitchen, we say, okay, we're going to do whatever we can to make this taste as good as we can. That is our goal. So we don't ever worry about, is there too much salt in it? We do worry about that, but we don't worry about like, oh, we shouldn't add any salt to it because of health reasons. We add the salt and pepper for the flavor. All we chefs care about is how good that taste. Unless you're a nutritionist and you're trying to make this a really healthy meal, that's a different story. But typically a chef will go in there and we will make everything with the best ingredients available to us to make you guys the best dish you can have. So there you go, guys. There you have it. And that's, a couple reasons why when you go out to eat, you just can't go home and replicate some things the best way possible, because we as chefs, and me as a chef, we absolutely love using salt, pepper, and butter and heavy cream. Those are like our main staples in the kitchen. Every kitchen always has that. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button right over there. And if you are watching this on Facebook, please hit that blue button up above. And you guys have an awesome day.